I typically only ski on sunny days because the color contrast of the blue sky and white snow is amazing. Unfortunately, when I went skiing yesterday, the clouds decided to roll in. By the end of the day, the sun was nowhere to be found. So, I came home and tried to figure out what I could do about enhancing the colors on my video. I'm no expert when it comes to color correction, so that's why the filters are so helpful. First, I'm going to show you all the filters I found, comparing them side by side with the original video. Then, at the end of the video, I'll explain the details about which software I used and how much it cost. All right, I hope that spurred some creative ideas in your mind. Without extensive video editing, nothing is going to make the blue sky appear or allow you to see the grooves in the snow. But at least the filters enhance the colors and help to breathe a bit of life into the video. So the software I used is called Wondershare Filmora 12. You can purchase an annual plan for $50 or a lifetime plan for $80. Now the effects and plugins are a separate subscription. They come free for 7 days, but after that you need to make a decision. In this video, I showed you a total of 107 different filters. After the 7-day trial, some of them would still be free and some of them would not be. They have an extensive set of video filters. In this video, I showed you 107 as I mentioned, but they have a library of about 360. Plus, there's a lot more available for download. Okay, back to the effects and plugins 7-day trial. After the trial, the cost is $21 a month, but this includes a bundle of these 4 plugins which you may or may not need. All I plan to use are the film stock filters, which you can get for just $6.50 per month with an annual plan, as you can see here. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. That's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and when you get a minute, you should check out some of my downhill skiing videos. We'll see you next time.